Hey guys, welcome to TaylorMade Stories with a brand new episode with me, Neeti Taylor. Okay, so this episode, I'm not gonna be showing you anything. We're just gonna talk. So a lot of people, if you guys don't know who you follow, this is Neeti Taylor. I'm an Indian television actor and I've recently started my YouTube channel. And also I am here to talk about trolling, about bullying. I think today is the time, let's just talk. हमें बात करनी चाहिए एक दूसरे की. अगर हम किसी को भी help कर सके, so why not? So I'm also going to share a few of my personal experiences that I have faced and how I have overcome things. So if कोई है जिसको मैं even 1% help कर पाऊँ to bring them out of whatever they are, so why not? So इतनी सी बात with Neeti. So by the way, नीति को अगर आप उल्टा करो so it's इतनी सी बात with me. So we're going to talk about bullying and trolling. So you guys know that मैं हर बात के लिए ट्रोल होती हूँ. अगर मैं पतली हुई तो मैं ट्रोल होती हूँ, अगर मैंने कुछ डाला तो मैं ट्रोल होती हूँ, अगर I have put on weight मैं ट्रोल होती हूँ. I get trolled for everything. Like I don't think there is not even one thing कि मैं ट्रोल नहीं होती हूँ. Bad comments are passed even on my pictures with my niece or with my dad or with my mom. Bad things are said. I want to know why to write something to someone you don't even know personally. And it's not only me, anybody. आपको हर किसी की लाइफ में जो struggles होता है, how do you know that? No one knows it, right? किसी की भी लाइफ में what they're going through, we all don't put it out like that. Like, listen, I'm going through this. I'm not going to discuss my personal life. You don't know what all I've been through. You know, it's very easy to write कि अरे you're not working, तुम्हें तो सिर्फ शादी करनी है, तुम्हें तो ये करना है. आपको कैसे पता कि I got a show and it just went out of my hand, or you know I said no to a show, or it's just a bad time. ठीक है यार, काम कभी मिलता है कभी नहीं मिलता है. It's fine, but why to troll someone? Just because somebody else is doing good, somebody else is doing good, be happy for them. If someone's taking time, you don't know what's happening in my life, but give the person a benefit of doubt. I think that is very, very necessary. So these people who troll, other people, एक कंप्यूटर में फेक आईडी बना के आप ट्रोल करो, गंदी गंदी चीजें बोलो, अरे तुम्हारे पास तो ब्यूटी नहीं है, तुम्हारे पास ये नहीं है, तुम्हारे पास वो नहीं है. भाई हमारे पास कुछ नहीं है, आप ही के पास है. No, you should not do that. I don't think any of our parents have brought us up like this. Even if you make a fake ID, even if no one knows who you are and why are you trolling a person, I don't think that's necessary. Okay, you do not like a person, fine. Everybody can't like everybody. That's a universal rule. No one can like everybody. Like everybody can't like everybody. But that doesn't mean you put them down. You say bad things, and it's really sad. I have seen it a lot of times that a girl puts a girl down. Like she'll be number one to put a girl down. Why? It takes a second, like not even a minute, a second to slut shame a girl, like to bad mouth a girl. That's what it takes. And no one thinks it's so easy to abuse. Yes, abuses are cool and all. Yes, we all in school used to love abusing. It's so cool to abuse. It's not. You're putting someone's character down. You're naming someone. You're putting a dhabba on someone. It's not right. I think it's really, and it all starts at home. I don't think these values are taught to you. In school, if you have friends like that, you don't need such friends. These are not cool friends. People think कि abuse करना बहुत cool होता है. It's not that. To put down anyone, not even a girl, to put down a boy also, it's not right. Bullying is the worst thing you can do to anyone. You do not know how you can destroy anyone's life. You have no idea. You say things to somebody, that somebody goes home, maybe that somebody's house environment is not that great, maybe that person doesn't have anyone to talk to, and they go into depression. And going into depression, people talk about depression so much, no one knows what is depression. unless you've gone through it and come out of it, it's very different. It's very easy to sit here and talk about it. Like, I'm doing that too, but if I can help out someone, why not? But that's what I'm saying. It's very easy for somebody to just एक कमेंट पास कर दिया कि ये ऐसी है. अरे ऑटो में घूमता है कोई तो छोटा हो जाता है वो. प्लीज डू नॉट जज अ बुक बाय इट्स कवर. Somebody is going in a rickshaw, in a cycle, scooter, whatever. Why judge? Why bully the person? I don't understand this. This is like a new trend rolling. Sitting behind and writing rubbish. Firstly, I always do not appreciate. Like, I've never appreciated it. I do not get, worked up or things right now because I'll be getting married. When I got engaged, there were so many people who were against it. Like, they trolled my fiance. Do you even know what he does? Is my question. He looks like an uncle. He's this, he's that. Bhai sahab, you don't even know that man. You don't even know anything about him. Why are you getting a third person? Like friends and all of that. People just comment, तू मोटी है, तू ये है, तू वो है. अरे ठीक है. I am me and this is how God has made me and I have made myself. I think that's really important to learn. And bullying. Now I'm going back to bullying. In school, a lot. I have been through a lot in school. It's also one of the reasons why I wanted to leave Bombay, and my parents made me leave Bombay. Made me leave Delhi to go to Bombay because I was in the school. I had like a group of 10 girls. We were really really good friends, and we were in a girls' school right upon. एक फेस्ट हुआ था जिसमें लड़के आए थे. Now these girls were dating guys. I wasn't a very, I don't know, I was very lallu, but I never dated anyone or anything like that. But then those guys started liking me. उस टाइम हाई फाइव और awkward होता था, so sending requests. I was like, I don't want to get into this. I ignored. Now ignoring also for a girl is bad. Means she's bad. Means she's a slut. Means she's a bitch. She's all the other names. So this is what happened, and these girls only because their boyfriends liked me. Now that is my fault कि their boyfriends liked me. मैंने थोड़ी ना बोला भाई मेरे को like करो, है ना, नहीं बोला. But still it got that way. So anyway, they used to throw water on me when I used to go from my school to my bus. They used to throw water on me. They used to throw chits on me. They used to abuse me. They used to give such bad names. I can't tell you, such bad names. And they used to call on my landline, and like sometimes mom used to answer, what have you worn, what is the color. These are the things that were told to me. You have no idea. It's not good. Like, whenever people talk about their school, I can't look back and talk anything nice. I never have anything to say because that's the memory stuck to me. And I also know that there were few people in school who I knew these guys were so bad. That was the opposite school. Okay, so I was in a girls' school. Opposite school was a boys' school. So they had come for the fest, just clearing that. So I remember that one guy, and once I saw him in Splitsvilla, I had so much hatred, and I am not somebody who has so much hatred, for someone. I never have. But it's because I know he made my life so miserable. Like, मुझे कोई भी उसके बाद, even friendly, like when I shifted to Bombay, I was very petrified. I was not making friends. I was like, maybe they will turn out to be like this. They'll turn out to be like that. Till date, I think I don't have good friends. Like, I have few, but I've never been lucky in friends. This is why I say. But my mom had always told me, choose your friends wisely, because your friends represent you. Always remember that. Your company matters, because when people see your company, then they'll be like, अच्छा ठीक है, ये होता है, Indian mentality ऐसी होती है. So all the bullies and all the trollers, you guys need to hold your horses. Stop commenting. Stop writing things. Stop bullying. It's not a nice thing. I don't know what you get. Do you get satisfaction? But when you go home, I just want to know, how do you guys sleep? How do you guys, putting someone down is so bad. Like, this is not, I'm telling you, even if I rudely, like sometimes you speak rudely to your mom, I can't sleep. Like sometimes I'm like, mom, nahi, I can't. I feel so bad, but saying it to an unknown person, like there are so many times when I don't know people and they just answer me back and I'll be like, what is this? Why? Just because I don't say anything, that's why? Okay, my parents have never taught me to answer back, and that's a fact. They've never taught me. I have gone through so much, but I have never answered anyone back and said, hey, what's your problem? Never. But don't do that. Everybody is going through something in life. Everybody is not going to be open and come and tell you what is going on in their life. But it's not good to troll. It's not good to bully anyone. It's sad. Rather than doing something bad, do good for them. You don't like them, at least if you don't like someone, try and understand why you don't like that someone. Help yourself, help your friends. If someone's doing something bad, go, stop them. Also, I think this is very important key. You are seeing someone getting bullied or trolled, but you don't do anything about it. That's also wrong. That's also being a part of it. So I just have, just a request to all the bullies and all the trollers, that not only for me but for so many people who go through this, don't do it. It really leaves a mark, and it's not nice that they all your life will have something against you. It's not nice, and this is not what our parents have taught us. We are good kids, we are brought up well, we have good manners, we should learn and respect each other. I think it starts with respecting. You don't like someone, you don't have to follow them, you don't have to go where they are. It's okay. Just it's not difficult to be a nice person. That's my question. That's my thing. It's really, really nice. Sometimes you feel so good to do so many good things for people who are mean to you. And trust me, वो जो सुकून जो मिलता है ना, let them be however they are, but you be nice. Always remember that. About overcoming getting bullied or trolled. Trolling में मैं ज़्यादा I don't read these comments. Yes, sometimes they really bother me when it's about my family or my friends or my people. It does, because you're talking about them. You don't even know them and you're talking. It does hurt me, and especially when my family members or my own people come to me and say कि ये मेरे बारे में लिखा है ना. I feel so bad. I'm like, क्या, what should I say? I was like, best is to ignore, because जितना आप ignore करोगे, they're not getting any reaction from you. So I think it's best to ignore, because as soon as you give a little heed to it, then she's still reading our comments, she's still doing this and that. I think that happens a lot. So just ignore. Ignorance is bliss. And I also know कि कितना ignore करोगे but you can't do anything, because people are sitting behind the computer. If they really had guts, they could have come up to you and told you, listen, this is my problem, I hate you, I do this, I do that. So I think trolling say you really can't do anything. Otherwise, best is go to cyber bully and दर्ज करो इनका नाम और ढूंढ के निकालो कौन है ये लोग, कौन है. और ये सब बच्चे ही निकलेंगे, मेरे को इतना भी पता है. और सब लड़कियां ही होगी मोस्टली, बिकॉज गर्ल्स हेट गर्ल्स. आई डोंट नो व्हाई. we women should stand up for each other, we should be there for each other, but nah, I don't think that's ever gonna happen over here. Like it's sad, it's sick, it's gross according to me, putting another girl down. But anyway, men also do that. But गर्ल पावर बोलते हैं, एक दूसरे को पहले रिस्पेक्ट करना चाहिए. एवरीबडी शुड रिस्पेक्ट, अ बॉय, गर्ल, एनीथिंग. एवरीबडी शुड रिस्पेक्ट ईच अदर. आई थिंक दैट्स वन रूल. एंड how did I overcome my bully in Delhi? I still haven't, because to be very honest, everybody has their own way, their own ways to get over things. And mine was that my parents shifted me to Bombay, and I started a new life. I stopped talking to them really long back. मेरी एक आदत है कि मैं डिलीट कर लेती हूँ चीज़ों को. इट्स अ गुड हैबिट एंड अ बैड हैबिट, बट in this case it worked miracle, like it was awesome for me. So just deleted a lot of things in my life कि ये सब हुआ. Yes, initially shifting to Bombay also it was friends बनाना मुझे बहुत डर लग रहा था. But again I was in a girls school and then girls college, so I was very petrified. But अच्छे फ्रेंड्स मिले मुझे कॉलेज में, बट उसके बाद also I had struggles with friends. Suddenly when do they become, firstly I don't understand what is the jealousy factor, the jealousy I don't understand. इतना कौन jealous होता है, मुझे तो यही समझ नहीं आता. I get half the time bullied. I remember I have done so many shows also. ये तो तुम्हें अपने लक पे मिला है. She doesn't deserve it. She doesn't have height. She doesn't have ये height, weight, face, all these things that people keep talking about. Guys, please stop. You might be the prettiest or you might be the hottest. We don't care. We love ourselves the way we are. And also you have to remember this, no matter who says what, you should love yourself, because when you love yourself, no matter who says what, it will never affect you, and trust me on that. So ये याद रखिए आप लोग, and don't let anything bother you. I know sometimes it gets hard, but divert your mind. Like I actually shifted to a new city. For me, the entire the new city, new places, going out, and my sister taking me to movies, and theater was the first time I saw a theater, or I saw a play in a theater, and all these things. So my mind was diverted there, and then I found really better people in my college. And but uske baad also you will keep having ups and downs throughout your life. You will meet all kinds of people, and all kinds of people make the world. But what you do about it, don't get disheartened. I know it hurts. It's okay. You're a strong girl, you're a strong person, and you can pick yourself up and start again, and we can do that over and over again, and remember that always. So anyway, I hope that you like this episode. I know too much बोल दिया मैंने, but please अगर किसी को बुरा लगा तो don't feel bad if I've said something to offend anyone. Really sorry, but I'll keep talking, keep coming out with more topics. If you guys want me to say more things, please comment down and let me know. And all I want to say is don't make fun of anyone, don't comment, don't judge, please respect. Communication is very important. So also if you miss someone, just message them. Life is too short, yeah. So life is too short. Don't be mean, be nice, be a good human being. All good things will happen to you. Sometimes bad things happen so that good things can fall in place. Always remember that, and stay happy, and lots of love, guys. And please subscribe. I need all your love. Thank you.